All right, guys, we made it. Lenoir City, Tennessee. I don't think I can make the drive tomorrow and get unloaded tomorrow, so we'll have to get up in the morning and stop. I think I'm going to stop in Franklin, Virginia. It's about an hour southwest of Norfolk, and we'll get up and finish the drive tomorrow. But yeah, home for the night, Lenoir City, Tennessee. Check in with you guys in a little while. So, cruising through North Carolina, come up on a weigh station, pull in the station, finally get up to the scale. Officer opens the window and says, "Hey, we're going to do an inspection on you, pull over here." I asked him, 1, 2, 3, what are we doing? He said, "We're going to do 11-1, so I made a face. All right, I'll pull around there. Brought his cruiser around there. We started doing the inspection. He's doing 11-1. So we start at the front and go to the back. We're testing headlights. We're testing blinkers. We're testing flashers. Do your windshield wipers work? We go through the whole spiel. We get to the part where he does the paperwork end of it. Wants to see all the stuff. And he asked me, when was the last time you were inspected? I said, yesterday. He said, level 1? I said, yes, sir. He said, well, I'm not doing a level 1 on you if you just got inspected yesterday. He said, man, but I need my numbers. I said, well, do a level 2. Call it a walk around and just check my paperwork. You were going to do that anyways. It's called a level 2 and be done. So 2 inspections in 2 days. We got a level 1 yesterday and a level 2 today. So batting 1,000. But hey, passed. Crazy. You can go a month without getting anything, and then they hit you 2 times in 2 days. That's amazing. But yeah, 2 inspections, 2 days. See you guys in a while. All right, so we got to base, hit the gate, made it through security on the gate. 3 hours sitting outside the gate waiting to get through passing ID. Finally get my pass. As I'm closing up all the compartments on the truck and getting in the truck, guy comes up and says, "Hey, we're running drills. Can't get on base just yet. Pull up forward and to the left and we'll let you know when you can go." So waiting game again. This might be one of the longest waits I've had. We'll see how long they're doing drills for, but sitting and waiting kind of screws up the rest of the day, rest of the night. I'm looking at a backhaul load coming out of Richmond, going back to North Little Rock. Fortunately, it doesn't pick up till tomorrow, so it's only about 65, 70 miles north of here. But yeah, playing the waiting game, sitting at the gate, can't get in. Through security, can't get in. I'll update you guys there in a little while. See ya. All right, we got Norfolk delivered, done, signed, sealed, delivered. Looking at and thinking about the backhaul I'm looking at, it loads up in Richmond, which is about 60 miles north of here, 70 miles north of here. So it's only about an hour away, but it's not ready to load until tomorrow. And they're not exactly sure what time it's going to be available to load tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. It's about an 18-hour drive from Richmond to Little Rock, roughly. Roundabouts. So it's 2-day drive. Drive all day Thursday, all day Friday. I may not get there on Friday before they close. So that I'd have to sit over the weekend and deliver it Monday morning. And I don't know, sitting over the weekend is worth what they're willing to pay on this load. It's right at $1 a mile. By the time you add in 2 weekend days sitting, the fuel and the extra food and all the stuff, I don't think it's going to be worth it. So at this point, I'm not gonna book it back haul. I'm just gonna go to the house. So that'll wrap it up for this one. We'll catch you guys next time. See ya.